Hey guys.
Hi Andrew.
Hi Andrew.
Hey.
How's your day?
Lucy.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the car?
Great.
Very
I
awesome.
think. Yeah.
Very awesome. Have you changed the headlight?
Yeah, we got some new headlights. We got LEDs, they look amazing. When you turn on the car, we have some display, which is cool.
So cool.
Can you show it to us?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. You want to
Let's have a look. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's have a closer look to it.
Wow, the car looks great.
Yeah. We've got a new body kit. Can you remember before my car was white?
Yeah,
It was white. So with this new Navigator edition, I think it looks cooler in black color. So we've changed the color.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
with this new front bumper and the grille, looks much better in black color, I think. And I want to show you, I want to introduce these headlights. When I turn on the car, we will have a display, a functional display, which looks amazing.
Oh, can you show it to us?
Yeah, sure. So guys, what do you think?
It's very cool.
Yeah.
I like this headlight.
Look, we got the headlight coming here with all these LED,
Yeah.
and we got the anti-fog light.
And is this the turning light? This part?
Yes, this part is a running turning light.
Yes.
And this grille all matched in
Grille.
chrome color, which matches with the new color of the car.
Yes, this grille matches the car very much. Hi Andrew, your front side is so cool. I think you have also changed the rear side.
Yeah, we've changed the whole body kit, so let me show you around.
Yeah.
So we've got a new back door. All the lights have been changed to the new, this is the 300 edition.
Oh.
It's like the newest edition in this Land Cruiser. We got the rear bumper, and at GBT they helped me to include this detail, which I love. Make my car look even cooler. Yeah.
The light is great. I like it.
Yes.
Feeling.
And this shape make it cool. Like this is another of the special features of the 300 edition.
Hi guys, do you feel hungry?
Yeah. I think it's time to have something to eat.
Why not?
Would you like to have a barbecue?
Sure.
So, let me take you.
Let's go.